Good evening everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about ChatGPT violates, data breach concerns, Italy watchdog, Samsung aims to make Galaxy AI available on 100 million mobile devices this year, WhatsApp chat Media adds to 15 GB free storage limit on Google Drive. iQOO Neo 7 Pro gets a Rs 7,000 price cut in India. Switzerland-based responsibility to invest $25 million in BlueSmart. Clear Trust raises $1.9 million in pre-series A round. Moto G24 power key specifications revealed and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Italy's data protection watchdog notifies OpenAI of ChatGPT violating data protection regulations. The regulator, after a probe initiated last year, identifies potential violations and grants OpenAI a 30-day window to present defense arguments. ChatGPT faced a temporary ban in Italy last year due to alleged breaches of EU privacy rules. Samsung plans to bring Galaxy AI to 100 million mobile devices, responding to increased customer interest in AI technology. TM Rao, president of Mobile Experience Business at Samsung, aims to revolutionize the user experience with AI-driven applications. The Galaxy S24 series manufactured in India will feature real-time translation and enhanced camera effects. WhatsApp will no longer offer free Google Drive storage for Android users, affecting chat history backups. The change, effective from the first half of 2024, encourages users to consider paid Google One subscriptions. WhatsApp's move follows revised terms in late 2023, with Google noting the change would start rolling out to WhatsApp beta users in December 2023. iQOO Neo 7 Pro receives a significant price cut during the Quest Days sale on Amazon. The effective price is now Rs 27,999, down from Rs 34,999, making it an attractive option under Rs 30,000. Features include a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and a 120-watt fast-charging 5,000 mAh battery. Responsibility Invest AG plan to invest up to $25 million in BlueSmart, an Indian electric vehicle ride-hailing and charging infrastructure platform. The investment aims to support BlueSmart in expanding its electric vehicle charging infrastructure across the country. BlueSmart recently secured $24 million in an equity round and raised long-term sustainable EV asset fund worth $200 million. Clear Trust, an ad tracking and fraud detection platform, raises $1.9 million in its pre-series A funding round. The fund will be used to expand operations into North America and invest in research and development in AI, cybersecurity, and deep tech. Clear Trust help advertisers detect and remove fraudulent activity from digital campaigns. Motorola's Moto G24 Power, set to launch on 30 January, reveals key specifications on the official website. Features include MediaTek Helio G85 processor, 6.56-inch display, 6,000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, and dual camera setup. The phone runs on Android 14 based on Motorola's MyUX and comes in up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage options. This is Arshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.